There was so much swelling in the lower part of both the outer jaws of Nitish that it was painful to open the mouth. The face was so distorted that people were scared to see it. A unique case has come to light in Ara district of Bihar. The 17-year-old Nitish Kumar had 82 teeth in his jaw. The doctors were also surprised to see this. These 82 teeth were different from normal teeth and were also growing over time. Nitish ran from Delhi to many big cities of the country for treatment, but the matter did not come to the hands of doctors. The maxillofacial unit of Indira Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences, IGIMS, in Patna detected the tumor. When the tumor spread in both the jaws was operated on, a bunch of 82 teeth was found. Nitish is completely healthy now. Doctors say that very soon the patient will be discharged. Doctors claim that such a case has not come to the fore in the country so far. This rare tumor of the jaw, called complex odontome, IGIMS Medical Superintendent Dr. Manish Mandal told that Nitish Kumar was very upset. He was unable to eat or drink anything due to pain. Although there was no problem inside the mouth, there was so much swelling in the lower part of both the jaws outside that even opening the mouth was painful. People were scared to see. Nitish Kumar came to IGIMS with a lot of confidence. Dr. Mandal told that Nitish was detected after examination in IGIMS that he had a tumor in his jaw. He had become serious due to the lack of proper treatment. This rare tumor of the jaw, called complex odontome, was cut and removed by the team of doctors. Nitish had trouble for 5 years. Dr. Priyankar Singh, HOD of Maxillofacial Unit, Department of Dentistry, IGIMS, told that Nitish Kumar had problems in both the lower jaws for 5 years. Both jaws were very swollen. The face was also distorted due to swelling under both the ears. He wandered for treatment in many big cities along with Delhi, Kolkata, Varanasi, but could not be detected from anywhere. The doctors told that there is swelling in the jaw due to the injury. It will be corrected later. Medicines were sent to some places, but there was no relief. Even the doctor was surprised to see 82 teeth. Dr. Priyankar Singh, HOD of Maxillofacial Unit of IGIMS, along with his colleague, Dr. Javed Iqbal, performed this complex operation on Friday. Dr. Priyankar told that he had come to know about the tumor from the examination and also knew that it contained teeth or dentin material. But after the operation, he was also surprised when a bunch of teeth came out. About 82 teeth with the tumor, which were inside the tumor, were carefully extracted. Dr. Priyankar Singh and Dr. Javed Iqbal told that this jaw operation is history in itself. There were about 82 teeth with the tumor. They were extracted with great detail. The story of the tumor and the tooth that came out of it is extraordinary. Dr. Priyankar told that it is not a simple tumor. It is a very rare tumor in itself, which can also occur due to genetic reasons or due to deformity of the jaw and tooth formation due to injury to the jaw. From the side of anesthesia, Dr. Ganesh and Dr. Madhuri played their successful role. Dr. A.K. Sharma, head of department, and Dr. N.R. Vishwas, director of the institute, have congratulated the entire team for the first rare jaw tumor in Bihar and the country's first 82-tooth operation. Teeth were growing in both jaws with time. Dr. Priyankar told that the clusters of filled teeth in the lower jaw on both sides were growing like normal teeth. Due to the growing teeth with time, Nitish was getting trouble. It was in the outer part of the jaw, but it is rare to have 82 teeth filled with it. The operation has been done in such a way that Nitish's face is not spoiled. The way his face was deformed after the operation has been completely recovered. The right treatment would have been found in time. The case would have been detected earlier. The tumor is being sent for examination to find out what the rash is like. Full details will be available after the report comes.